Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or rather to another episode of labor-intensive paintbrush torture. As you can see from my YouTube absence, this painting took way longer to finish than I expected. Originally, what I envisioned was a relaxing time coloring with the paintbrush, but there were a lot of detail work that went into this, especially with all the petals. I should have learned that whenever the pencil comes out, it'll never be a walk in the park. I first started this piece by marking out the position of the larger peonies with a chalk, and then I fill up the space in between each peonies with smaller ones and their flower buds. The first layer of paint was the hardest, trying to get the shading of each petal, figuring out the placing of the flowers while freestyling all the smaller flowers to fill up the space. In East Asia, peonies are often referred to as the king of flowers, representing wealth, royalty, and prosperity. These flowers could only be planted in the royal garden of the palace. The royal fixation with peonies are often depicted in ancient paintings from the Qing and Tang dynasty. The sole event of April marks the peonies' bloom, an event where the royal family dedicates the month to observe the beauty of the flowers in their garden. In our present day, you don't have to be of royal blood to grow your own peonies, just a pair of green thumbs. Anyway, as tedious as this painting was, I'm quite satisfied with the results, and I hope you like this painting too. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
She is a Spanish señorita. Her eyes are green and her heart is gold. You have a vision, you'd like to meet her, and so you're walking down that road to the sea. You hear a lot of things about her. Her reputation's widely known. The people talk, but that don't matter, because to you she feels like home. You feel free. Because she'll never bring you down. Your heart, then she'll bring you. She wears a flower crown. She is the people's daughter. She's holy, holy. Maria's prayer, the dragon slayer. She's fighting fire by the sea. She is a Spanish Lina. Her eyes are green and her dress is gold. She is a siren, a femme her children young, but her soul is old. She feels free. She'll never bring you down. dragon slayer. She's fighting fire by the sea. Maria's prayer, if you should see her, give her my best wishes for me.
Not even they can stop me now. Boy, I'll be flying overhead, and heavy words can't bring me down. Boy, I've been raised from the dead. No one even knows how hard life was, and I don't even think about it now because I finally found you. Well, sing it to me. Now my life is sweet like cinnamon, like a fucking dream I'm living in. And baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio. Pick me up and take me like a vitamin, 'cause my body's sweet like sugar caramel, yeah. And baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio. American dreams came true somehow. I swore I'd chase until I was dead. I heard the streets were paved with gold. That's what my father said. No one even knows what life was like. Now I'm in LA and it's paradise. I finally found you. Well, sing it to me. Now my life is sweet like cinnamon, like a fucking dream I'm living in. And baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio. Pick me up and take me like a vitamin, 'cause my body's sweet like sugar caramel, yeah. And baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio. Well, how do you like me now? You sing it to me. Now my life is sweet like cinnamon, like a fucking dream I'm living in. And baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio. Oh, pick me up and take me like a vitamin, 'cause my body's sweet like sugar caramel, yeah. And baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio.
So pretty and I love this view. We fell in love in October. That's
She is a Spanish señorita. Her eyes are green and her heart is gold. You have a vision, you'd like to meet her, and so you walk walking down that road to the sea. You hear a lot of things about her. Her reputation's widely known. The people talk, but that don't matter.